Hey guys, so if you've already seen my previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to apply this face makeup super quick. I mean, I've actually timed myself. I think it takes me 5 minutes when I'm just doing it in the morning. So this is basically my hashtag Momlife makeup because this is what I've been doing pretty much every day of my life since my baby's been here or been born. But I thought I would show you guys how if I have like a couple of extra minutes or I need to just like spice it up a little bit. This is how I do my eye makeup, and again, it's super fast. So literally if I have 2 extra minutes, this is what I do for my eye makeup. So we're going to use a lot of the similar products that we've already have. So we're going to start with the crease color. You could technically take the bronzer shadow that you use for your face. You can take that on your eyes. That saves you time with having to pull out a palette or anything like that. But today I'm going to actually take the Pure Cosmetics Soriee Diaries palette. I wanted to show you guys products that I actually use. So most of the time, if I don't have time to do eyeshadow, I will just take my bronzer. If I have a couple extra minutes and I want to do a quick eye makeup, I will grab this palette and use these two shadows in my crease, and they blend out so beautifully. So this is the Morphe E27 brush. It's just a very big fluffy brush. I actually mix Socialite and Gala together and just go back and forth, and then we're going to apply this right in the crease and just go back and forth windshield wiper motions. I wasn't going to put any eyeshadow on the lid. I would probably just stop right here at this kind of intensity, I guess, because it does add just a little bit of definition without being too much. But I am going to apply some shadow to the lid, so I want to go ahead and just add a little bit more just to make sure it's really defined. Then I'm going to take the color Splurge, just super light, and mix it with Gala again, and then we're going to just still the same brush, just take this on the outer corner here, just kind of stamping that color and then blending it. Okay, then I'm going to take this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the color Weenie, which is just like a pretty rose gold shadow, but any shadow you want to use, you can, obviously. I'm just going to take my finger and apply this all over the lid. So I start in the center and then kind of work my way, blending it out with my finger. Okay, so I went ahead and timed myself when I did the other eye, and it took me 1 minute and 57 seconds. So fast. Obviously we're not done, but that part of it, which makes you look like you tried, you know, you feel like, okay, I've got some matte, I've got some shimmer, I've got some, you know, definition, but it's so easy. Okay, so to finish off, I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going to take the color Mogul, which is just this creamy white shadow, and I'm just going to take it on my brow bone real quick, just kind of add some definition and clean up, and then stick with the same brush. I use this e.l.f. highlighter for my face. I'm going to go ahead and use it for my inner corner, so you're not actually getting any other products out because you already have this product out. And I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. I'm just going to stick with the same Morphe brush that we applied the inner corner highlight, and I'm going to take a little bit of the Gala color, which is this shadow, and just take a little bit on my lash line right here, kind of connecting to this inner corner. If you want to add a little bit more definition, take the darker shadow and place it also. Morphe M506 and the Morphe E27 brush, and then our fingers basically, and that is all as far as an eyeshadow look that I do when I'm in like a super rush, but I need to do something a little extra, like I have a meeting for work or just something, you know, to make it a little bit nicer. Like I said, it's very fast. So, and obviously any of the products that you have, you know, use those. If you have one palette or you want to just use your highlighter, a lot of times I will take my bronzer in my crease, take whatever highlighter I used on my face, inner corner, and just apply a light wash of it across the lid and call it good. So there's a lot of things you can do just to make it really fast for yourself and out the door with no problems whatsoever. So I'm going to apply some mascara, and that's all for eye makeup. So let me do that real quick. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, which is one of my all-time favorites. Okay, and again, if you want to see how I did my face makeup, I will link it somewhere up here. And then, yeah, if you like this type of video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. And I will also, if you have any suggestions for videos, if you like these type of quick, out the door type of makeup tutorials, let me know, because I can do more. This is basically my life now, is quick makeup, so I can do plenty of them. You know, using different products or different techniques that I've kind of learned along the way. So yeah, so just comment that down below if you're interested, and I will be on Instagram. It's just Mrs. Texas Beauty. I'll have the link down below, and I post pictures on there. I'm much more active, obviously, on my Instagram because it's easier than here on my YouTube channel recently, but I do have a lot more videos coming up soon. So yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Could not have lived without are these little pads. These are also from the Sensational brand. I will take them out to show you guys. They look like this.